weak and dehydrated along Orchard Road in Singapore. We rescued him and nursed him back to good health. Now take a good look at him. Don't you think he's very strong and healthy? Yeah, after all, he's a survivor. Alright Genjis, it's time to make way for the rest of your friends. Let's put our hands together for Genjis, our Himalayan griffon vulture. And with that, we shall continue. Joined by our group of vultures. Let me introduce them one by one. The grey ones are the white-backed vultures. They can be found in Africa, just like hazel. And the big brown vultures are the cinereous vultures, and they can be found in Europe and Asia. It is a very common sight to see vultures coexist in the wild and feed on a huge carcass, just like that. Vultures are known as keystone species. They help to control the spread of contagious diseases by feeding on carrion. Sadly, many vulture species are rapidly declining in the wild. For example, the white-backed vultures are critically endangered. A lot of conservation efforts needed to save them. Now the good news is, you are partners in our conservation efforts. A percentage of your entrance tickets, souvenirs from gift shops and F&B go straight into our Wildlife Reserve Singapore Conservation Fund. You are helping us to protect these vulnerable animals from the threats of poaching, deforestation, poisoning and many other dangers. Thank you very much for your contribution, and let's continue to work together to save precious wildlife. And with that, after having seen all these birds flown here today, I'm sure all of you would agree that they certainly deserve and merit the title, the Kings of the Sky. Thank you. If you have any questions regarding the show or the birds, feel free